Look, if you hate how long editing videos takes, whether you're editing YouTube videos, TikToks, short form podcast clips, or explainer videos, well, this free to try AI Claude plugin for Premiere will automatically edit your videos for you, cutting out all the bad takes and repeats using a singular prompt. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you what it is, how to use it, and how to edit your content 10 times faster using AI inside Premiere Pro. Let's go. So in order to access the plugin and download it, you first have to go to the link in the description. It's called AutoEditAI.net. And then from there, you can go ahead and download the Creator Mode plugin. There is a free trial, so you can test completely for free. Once you download it, you make an account and everything, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click Auto Edit. Now the plugin will pop up, and all you do is you just drag and drop your clip. Okay, so now I uploaded a test clip. This is a reel that I recorded. As you can see, I mess up a lot. There's a lot of bad takes in here, a lot of repeats of me just saying the same word because I can't get my script together. Oh my goodness. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open that AutoEdit Creator Mode plugin. I hit Creator Mode, and then boom, just like that, it takes you to this page right here, which you can now go ahead and enter a prompt telling the AI what the plugin is about. So I'm gonna say, this is about me talking about AI plugins. So once I upload that prompt, you can either do any of these modes: standard, which is just gonna do a really quick edit. It's still gonna understand your video; brain, which is gonna use more power; and then you can use the beast mode, which is gonna actually really get the editing down. It's gonna be great, like almost near perfect accurate on removing all the bad takes and repeats. So we just hit process video. So now what it's gonna do is it's going to take our video, it's going to upload it to the cloud, and it's going to start transcribing our video and understanding what this video is about and how to actually cut out. It should cut out the repetitions, the filler words, maybe even entire repeated segments. So this part might take a couple minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and wait this part out. And boom, just like that, it is done. And now you can see it's automatically editing my entire timeline. And as you can see, it cut out a lot of stuff. So the gray parts are marked by the parts that are bad takes and parts that we want to cut. And now you can see in this timeline, it's going to allow us to go ahead and cut out which lines and keep certain lines depending on what we were talking about in the video. So there's a lot of cool stuff going on right here. We can go ahead and just scroll through this. Are you bad at video editing? Well, this free AI plugin, so imagine this. That way you have a full timeline. And as you can see, it's doing a pretty good job. You can see all these repeats and it's keeping only the last one, as I mentioned. And now before I go ahead and hit apply all permanent, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust the silence trimmer. So this is going to add some boundaries to the edges. So let's say you maybe take a breath or pause before every time you start a sentence. It will cut off the beginning and ends, so that way you have more tighter cuts on the timeline. So we're gonna do 0.1 second, we're gonna hit apply all, and boom, just like that, it has automatically edited our entire timeline for us, and now we have a full edit. Boom, this is crazy. So as you can see, oh my goodness, this is so cool. So as you can see, it has automatically cut out all the bad takes. It has removed all the silences. It has removed all the filler words, the repeats, and it has really just kept the core meat of this video. Now, if you edit raw recordings like long form podcasts or explainer videos, or maybe you record your own footage of yourself talking and you just repeat yourself over and over and over again, this AI plugin will literally save you hours of editing because it's really doing a great job at just getting the base structure of what you're trying to say together in one singular timeline. So then that way you can go ahead and start editing from there without having to manually listen to every single thing and cut out all the bad takes yourself. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think about the prompt field. And that, as you saw, was literally on the standard, the lowest model. So you can use advanced models all the way up to the Opus Claude model, which would do even better job at understanding what your video is about. It will cost a little bit more and it won't be in the free trial, but you can test out this standard one completely for free. It's all linked down below in the description. Me and my team have been building this for the past few months, and we really put our heart and soul into this. So I'd love to just hear what you guys think about this. Is this something that you'd find helpful? Is this something that is useful to your workflow? But yeah, I'm gonna play on the screen the final result. As I mentioned, you can use it for podcasts, explainer videos, voiceovers, gaming videos, vlogs, you name it. If you wanna check out this plugin, I've linked down to it down below. Now, if you wanna learn how to automatically edit music videos and event recap videos 10 times faster using AI and automatically cutting to the beat,